Today we are at FIL-Lisbon. Hi, I'm Ian. Nice to meet you.
Well, thank you for taking the time to talk to me. I'm John Suykerbuyk with Seagate.
Then what do you do in Seagate?
I run a reference architecture lab. I like to describe what I do as risk mitigation. So the world is full of lots of storage options, and we want to partner with all the storage providers, all the use cases of storage in Web3, and test and prototype it with them. I want to minimize the risk, the purchase risk, prove that we can do what we do, and explore how we can make Seagate's products better to serve the Web3 community.
Since FIL Singapore, how is the progress of the Seagate?
Well, every time we have the chance to mix and mingle, if we look at today, we've got an individual who's brought a working set-top box that can join IPFS. And so we have over 4,000 active businesses fulfilling niches and building on dreams and bringing the world together. We have the set-top box, and yesterday we had the announcement of 3 Fortune 500 companies participating in this. And to me, that spectrum of diversity is one of the most positive attributes of this entire effort. There's room for everybody to join hands and build a better Web3 for tomorrow. It's not limited by size, it's not limited by capital, it's not, and we can all work together, and I find that to be the most thrilling thing. And what I see from FIL Austin to FIL Singapore to now FIL Lisbon is the more we come together, the more we collaborate, the better, stronger community we have, and the more opportunities we create for everybody. And in the end, we're going to be servicing customers and all the citizens of planet Earth in ways we never thought about before.
Then what is your future plan and the goal?
Our future plans is to do what we do. There's only several smaller aspects of what Seagate has to offer, and we intend to stay in our lane, but we intend to be the enablement of Web3. We see it as complementary to the Web2 and public cloud. What we're playing is not a zero-sum game. Everybody wins. Every time we grow the world, the data sphere, as Seagate likes to call it, every time the data sphere expands, everybody wins. And there's not a game of taking away from one and giving to the other. It's all compounding interest. And the bigger and better we make the data sphere, the more we all benefit from it. So we intend to play our role as a block device and storage device provider and listen to the community and build better products that render a better return on investment, better performance, and better reliability for a distributed web.
We heard about the DS Alliance, and we also heard that Seagate is part of the Alliance. So can you tell me some information about DS Alliance?
Well, it's kind of like a perfect trifecta, isn't it? Because we have the storage, we have the compute, and the GPU, and we also have the financial interest. And those are the three things that have to come together from the big picture to enable, like I was mentioning, the file miner, the set-top box. So if the industry titans, the visionaries of tomorrow, see this as the future path, and we're not going to be making those products, we're going to be making the products that makes the products and services possible. And the closer we get to our partners here, the better we can all do together. So the Enterprise Alliance is just that. We are focusing on partnerships to build the infrastructure and the enablement for this entire community to come together and create Web3.
That's it for the interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you.